Hello, in this video I'm talking about what is the abstract class, what is the abstract method in Java. This is very important topic and many students have a more confusion between both of them, and all information about abstract class and abstract method are covered in this video, so you have to watch this video very well. Now first talking about the abstract class. Before talking about the in which condition we are using the abstract class, I want to talk about some important points about abstract class. After that I started the abstract method. First point is how we are able to create the abstract class. So in Java, there is a provider keyword that is known as abstract. By using abstract or abstract modifier, we are able to create the abstract class. Before writing the class keyword, during creation of a class, we have to write abstract keyword, abstract modifier. Then after writing abstract modifier before the class keyword, our class become a abstract class. This is the first point. Second point here is we are not able to instantiate the abstract class. What is the meaning of instantiate? Means we are not able to create the object of abstract class. So how we are able to use the abstract class if we are not able to create the object? So about this confusion I will talk about later in later points. Now second point is we are not able to create the object of abstract class, but we are able to create the reference variable of abstract class. That reference variable are able to point the object of its child class. This is a rule of inheritance, means parents class reference variable can easily be point to the object of a child class. Here same property here is, means abstract class we are not able to create the object of abstract class, but abstract class reference variable we are able to create that, and that reference variable are able to point the object of its child class. So this is the second point. Third point here is a class can have a parent, can have a abstract method or not. It does not compulsory to create abstract class. That abstract class have at least one abstract method. Like C++, there is a concept of a virtual method. So for creating abstract class in C++ language, so we have to create at least one virtual method in C++. That after that only our class become a abstract class. But in Java there is no compulsory. If abstract class can have, there is option for taking the abstract method or not. If a class have a abstract method, then that class is also we are able to create the abstract. If a class that have no abstract method, that class also we are able to create as an abstract class. So this is a concept about abstract class. Fourth point here is if a class, in class at least one or more abstract method are present, then our responsibility is we must to declare the class as an abstract. What I say, if a class can have one or more abstract method, so that class we must declare as an abstract class. Okay. Fourth point here is what is the use of abstract class. If there are many child classes, and all these child classes have some common properties, common methodology. So for writing again and again same code in all the classes, all the child classes, this is the very wrong way for talking about the oops concept in this Java. So for making the oops concept, for making the concept of the object oriented programming, we have to use the abstract class. By using abstract class are provide the common characteristics, common properties in all its child classes, in all its subclasses. So this is the third point. Fourth point in about abstract class here is if any classes, if you want to use the abstract class, what you have to do, you have to create the child class of that abstract class, and that child class have responsibility to implement all the abstract method of a particular abstract class. If the child class are not implementing all the abstract method of a parents class, of abstract class, then child class also become a abstract class. After becoming the child class abstract, so also we are not able to create the object of a child class, because this is the property. If abstract class, in abstract class we are not able to create the object. So for using the abstract class, for using the common property into the child classes, so our requirement, our needs is very clear. So for doing that, we have to implementing all the abstract method that are present into the abstract class. We have to implementing all the method into our child class. This is the fourth property. Now Question is, sir, you are talking about all the major point of the abstract class. Means how we are able to create the object, means how we are able to create the abstract class, in which condition, if abstract method are present or not. So we also, there is chances also we are able to create the abstract class. An abstract class, there is a full chances of an abstract class can they have no abstract method. In that condition, and see Java, we are also able to declare as an abstract class. And if a class have at least one abstract method, so there is a must requirement for declare as abstract class. All information about abstract class are clear. So question is, sir, can you give any example for using the abstract class? Yes, I will give, absolutely give. For example, you have to understand there is a two classes in a college. First one is student class, second one is faculty class. In both the classes, student class as well as faculty class, some common property are present. For example, name property, and the what is the name, what is the address, what is the location, what is the mobile number, and some of the common property are present in both the classes. So there is two cases for creating that classes. First one is, in both the classes we have to write some common code again and again. Means code reusability is not happen here. When we are writing common characteristics in both the classes repeatedly, this is a very hard task. This is not a very good task for for the point of view of object oriented programming. Second case is, we are able to create the abstract class, in which we are declare all the common property that are present into the student class as well as the faculty class. Now for using that common property, we are simply inherit that abstract class